In AutoCAD, when I start drawing, sometimes certain settings are available in a certain file. I don't want to create these settings again, it takes so much time. So in order to reuse these settings, I use template files, and the extension for the drawing or template file is DWT. How can I open these files? Either I come from here, or the easier way is to come in the Start tab. If you don't know what Start tab, I recommend that you watch the previous video so you get to know all these names. So I come here, and this is templates. When I click, a list shows with all the templates available. As you can see, the extension is DWT. Personally, I use this one, AutoCAD-ISO. It uses metric system. I will click on this to open it. As you can see, it opens a blank new drawing file. It doesn't have anything, and all the settings are set to default by the program. So I don't have anything set by me, how it came with the program. As you can see, these are the fonts. It's all set to default. If I wanted to save this file as a template, I should hit this button, Save As, and select the type of file that I want. This is DWG, it's a drawing file. No, that's not what I want. I want to save it as a template file. So I click here and search for DWT, which is drawing template. I select this one. It goes to the default place in the program where it has all these templates. I will save it. I will set the name of the file. I'll click here and rewrite it. I'll say YouTube. Just an example to show you, and hit save and make sure it's DWT. Okay, it comes this window, and this is the description, and I should leave this on metric. English uses inch and foot, so I leave it on metric, and the notification set as default, and I'll hit OK. As you can see above here in the title bar, this is the place where it is being saved. So if I hit this button, it gives me the name that I gave for the file. Now, for example, if I had a previous file, let's say, or drawing file, I need these settings to save it as templates. So I open my file. You'll have this as a link in the description box ready for you to download. So this is the same as the previous drawing. I'll hit this button just to put the zoom on its extent. So if we see these layer properties, we see that we have so many layers, and I need to save these layers, or let's say the fonts. I need to save it as template so I can reuse it again for different say drawing file or drawing project that I have. So how do I do that? First, I'll go to Save As and choose the files of type. I'll choose DWT as we did previously. It takes me back to my the default place where all templates are, and as you can see, this is the template we created previously. The file name, I will choose, let's say, second example, and I'll hit save. Description, I'll say my metric template. I'll leave this on metric and the notification as it is and hit OK. As we saw previously, it shows in the title bar the place where it's being saved. So before that, I will select all this and hit delete, or choose this for erase. So erase 638 found. So 638 objects were erased, and now I'll hit the save button so that when I open it again, I don't have any drawings, only the settings that I have.